Due to the effects of COVID, I am unable to present this lesson to a classroom of students. Therefore, I'm going to be discussing the science lesson of renewable versus non-renewable energy sources, as if I were going to teach it in a classroom, and I'm going to show the websites that students would use for their research project as well. To begin the lesson, students will be sitting on the carpet in a large group, and I will introduce the concept using a short video. This would be the video off of YouTube. After the video, I would discuss with students their thoughts. So, what type of renewable energy sources did we see? What type of non-renewable energy sources did we see? Based on this picture, what renewable energy source do you think this could be? Wind, water, or solar? How about this one? And how about this one? Wind, water, or solar? Great job! These are some of the websites as well that you guys will need to navigate for your research. You guys can get to them by clicking on one of the bookmarks at the top of the website or at the top of the Google page. The first website is through NASA and it's called Climate Kids, and you guys will be able to play games and study fossil fuels or study the different renewable energy sources up here. And you can kind of play around navigating this to figure out what you might want to write about in your paper. Alongside that, we have this website that will be also tabbed at the top, and it's going to have the different kinds of energy: solar energy, wind energy, or hydropower energy, with pictures and descriptions to help you guys do your research and figure out what you might want to write about. Lastly, there will be this website, which is going to be an interactive game that you can play, in which you will select somewhere in the world, and then you can figure out different ways to use renewable energy sources in the right places based on the landscape that you're given. I'm going to give each of you a rubric at the top of your sheet to check off as you write your paper. You will need to include in your writing what kind of energy source you are recommending the principal to implement into the school, and what devices he would need to do so, whether that be a wind turbine, solar panels, dam, whatever. After you're finished, bring your papers to me and feel free to continue to explore the interactive game or do some independent reading with the selected books about non-renewable and renewable energy sources that I have laid out. After the lesson is over, I would collect the papers and I would continue to observe students as they engage in independent work to check for any misconceptions or anything. Thank you.